Hello and welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for all things natural health and wellness. Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sudden, excruciating leg cramp? If you've been there, you know just how disruptive and painful they can be. You're not alone in this struggle. Leg cramps, especially at night, are a common problem that can leave you feeling tired and sore the next day. While stretching can offer some temporary relief, what if I told you that the real solution might be hiding in your kitchen? That's right. The key to preventing those agonizing cramps could be as simple as adjusting your diet. Today, we read diving deep into the world of nutrition to uncover 5 miracle foods that can help you end leg cramps for good. Maybe even as soon as tonight. These aren't complicated or expensive items. They're simple, delicious foods that are easy to add to your daily meals. By incorporating these into your healthy diet, you will not only be tackling leg cramps, but also supporting your overall health with powerful nutrients and immune-boosting foods. So if you're ready to say goodbye to nighttime leg pain and hello to peaceful, uninterrupted sleep, stick around. We're about to reveal the natural remedies you've been looking for. First up on our list is a fruit that's famous for its potassium content, the banana. You've probably heard that bananas are great for preventing cramps, and there's a lot of truth to that. Leg cramps are often linked to an imbalance of electrolytes, and potassium is one of the most important electrolytes for muscle function. It works hand in hand with sodium to help your muscles contract and relax properly. When your potassium levels are low, your muscles can become more prone to cramping. A single medium-sized banana can provide around 10% of your daily potassium needs. They are also a great source of magnesium and calcium, 2 other crucial minerals for muscle health. But bananas offer more than just cramp prevention. They are packed with vitamin B6, which is essential for a healthy nervous system and plays a role in creating neurotransmitters. Plus, their natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, making them a perfect pre-workout snack to fuel your muscles and prevent exercise-induced cramps. The best part? They're incredibly versatile. You can slice one over your morning oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie, or just peel and eat it on the go. Making bananas a regular part of your healthy diet is a simple and delicious first step toward ending those nightly leg cramps. Our second miracle food might surprise you: sweet potatoes. These vibrant root vegetables are a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to fighting leg cramps. Like bananas, they are loaded with potassium. In fact, one medium sweet potato contains even more potassium than a banana. But that's not all. They are also an excellent source of magnesium and calcium, the dynamic duo of minerals that work together to support muscle contraction and relaxation. Magnesium, in particular, acts as a natural calcium blocker, helping your muscle cells relax after they contract. A deficiency in magnesium is a very common cause of muscle cramps. Beyond their cramp-fighting minerals, sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, especially beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This powerful antioxidant helps protect your cells from damage and supports a strong immune system. They are also a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. You can enjoy them baked, roasted, mashed, or even spiralized into noodles. Swapping regular potatoes for sweet potatoes is an easy way to boost your intake of these essential nutrients and make your meals more colorful and delicious. They are a fantastic example of how immune-boosting foods can also be effective natural remedies. Moving on to number 3, we have avocados. This creamy, delicious fruit has become a staple in many healthy diets, and for good reason. When it comes to preventing leg cramps, avocados are a true champion. They are bursting with both potassium and magnesium, delivering a 1-2 punch against muscle spasms. A single avocado can contain nearly twice the potassium of a banana. This incredible mineral content helps to ensure your electrolytes are balanced, allowing your muscles to function smoothly without those painful, involuntary contractions. Avocados are also packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are great for heart health and can help reduce inflammation throughout your body, which may contribute to muscle soreness and cramping. They also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from other foods you eat. Plus, avocados are a good source of B vitamins, which are vital for energy production and nerve function. Adding avocado to your diet is easy. Spread it on toast, add it to salads and sandwiches, or blend it into a creamy, nutrient-dense smoothie. By incorporating this superfood into your meals, you're not just fighting leg cramps, you're supporting your entire body's well-being. Our fourth cramp-busting food is something green and leafy: spinach. Popeye was onto something. Leafy greens like spinach are nutritional giants, and they are particularly rich in magnesium, one of the most important minerals for preventing muscle cramps. As we mentioned earlier, magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions and nerve signals. Many people don't get enough magnesium in their diet, which can lead directly to issues like muscle twitching and cramping. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides a significant portion of your daily magnesium needs. But the benefits don't stop there. Spinach is also a good source of potassium, calcium, and iron. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen to your muscles, and a lack of it can lead to fatigue and an increased risk of cramps. Furthermore, spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, and antioxidants that support a robust immune system. It's one of the best immune-boosting foods you can eat. The great thing about spinach is how easy it is to add to your diet. You can toss a handful into your smoothie, use it as a base for a salad, or saute it with a little garlic as a quick and healthy side dish. Eating more spinach is a simple, effective, natural remedy for keeping leg cramps at bay. Finally, our fifth miracle food is a bit of a treat: dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Chocolate can actually help with leg cramps, but it has to be the right kind. We're talking about dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, preferably 70% or more. The magic ingredient here is, once again, magnesium. Dark chocolate is one of the richest food sources of this essential mineral. A 1-ounce serving can provide a substantial amount of your daily requirement, helping to relax your muscles and prevent those painful spasms. In addition to magnesium, dark chocolate is packed with powerful antioxidants called flavonoids. These compounds help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles, which is key for preventing cramps, especially during or after exercise. Of course, moderation is key. A small square or 2 of high-quality dark chocolate a day is all you need to reap the benefits without overdoing it on sugar and calories. So, you can enjoy a delicious treat while also giving your body a powerful tool to fight leg cramps. It's a win-win. So there you have its 5 delicious and powerful foods that can help you put an end to leg cramps. By incorporating bananas, sweet potatoes, avocados, spinach, and dark chocolate into your healthy diet, you're providing your body with the essential electrolytes and minerals it needs for proper muscle function. Remember, consistency is key. Making these foods a regular part of your meals is the best way to prevent cramps from coming back. It's amazing how simple dietary changes can have such a profound impact on our well-being. These natural remedies are not only effective, but also support your overall health and boost your immune system. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you found this information helpful and are feeling inspired to try these cramp-fighting foods. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried any of these foods for leg cramps? Or do you have another natural remedy that works for you? Share your experience with our community. Till next time, stay healthy and sleep well. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important, especially for those of us entering our golden years. Protein. You've probably heard a million times that protein is the building block of life. But have you ever stopped to think about what that really means after you turn 60? It turns out, our relationship with protein changes dramatically as we age. What worked in our 30s and 40s just doesn't cut it anymore. We might be eating what we think is a healthy diet, but we're still feeling tired, weak, and noticing more aches and pains. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to uncover why your protein intake might be failing you after 60 and, more importantly, what you can do about it using natural, common-sense approaches. First, let's talk about a big biological hurdle called anabolic resistance. It sounds complicated, but the concept is simple. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to the signals that tell them to grow and repair themselves. These signals come from two main sources: exercise and the protein we eat. So, even if you're eating the same amount of protein as a younger person, your body isn't using it as efficiently. It's like your muscles have their earmuffs on. You need to speak a little louder, meaning consume more protein, to get the same message across. This is why the standard protein recommendations often fall short for older adults. You need a higher dose of protein per meal to kickstart that muscle-building process, something we'll discuss how to achieve in a bit. Another major issue is our digestive system. Aging affects everything, and our gut is no exception. Our stomachs naturally start producing less stomach acid as we get older. This acid is crucial for breaking down proteins into smaller units called amino acids, which are what our bodies actually absorb and use. With less acid, that big piece of chicken or fish you just ate isn't getting fully deconstructed. It's like trying to build a house with giant logs instead of individual bricks. Your body can't use the raw materials effectively. This can lead not only to protein deficiency, but also to digestive discomfort like bloating and gas, which might make you want to eat less protein in the first place, creating a vicious cycle. We need to focus on digestive health to make sure we are re-getting every last bit of goodness from our food. Let's also consider our changing appetites and lifestyles. It's common for our sense of taste and smell to diminish as we age, which can make food seem less appealing. Cooking for one or two can feel like a chore, and sometimes it's just easier to grab something simple like toast or a bowl of cereal. These convenient options are often low in protein and high in simple carbs. Plus, dental issues can make chewing tough foods like steak a real challenge. All these factors can quietly lead to a significant drop in our daily protein intake without us even realizing it. We start opting for softer, easier-to-eat foods that, unfortunately, don't pack the protein punch we so desperately need. So, what's the big deal? Why does this matter so much? It all comes down to something called sarcopenia. This is the age-related loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. It's not just about being unable to open a stubborn jar. It's a serious health concern. Less muscle means a slower metabolism, making it easier to gain weight. It means a higher risk of falls and fractures because your muscles are what keep you stable and protect your bones. And it directly impacts your immune system. Many people don't realize that our immune cells are made from protein. Without enough protein, Your body can't produce the antibodies and immune cells needed to fight off infections effectively. This is where focusing on a healthy diet rich in immune-boosting foods becomes critical. A protein-rich diet is a cornerstone of a strong immune defense. Okay, enough about the problems, let's get to the solutions. And the good news is, they are totally doable. The first step is to rethink how much protein you need. Most experts now suggest that older adults should aim for about 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. That's significantly higher than the standard recommendation. The key is to distribute this intake throughout the day. Instead of one big protein-heavy dinner, aim for about 25 to 30 grams of protein with each meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This steady supply gives your muscles the constant signal they need to repair and grow. So what does 30 grams of protein look like? It could be a large chicken breast, a can of tuna, a cup of Greek yogurt with nuts, or a cup and a half of lentils. For breakfast, instead of just toast, try having 2 or 3 eggs with a side of cottage cheese. Or add a scoop of high-quality protein powder to your oatmeal or smoothie. For lunch, a big salad with a generous portion of grilled salmon or chickpeas is fantastic. Making these simple swaps can dramatically increase your daily intake without you feeling like you're overeating. Now, let's address the digestion issue. To help your body break down protein more effectively, you can use some simple natural remedies. One of the easiest is to drink a small glass of water with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar about 15 minutes before your meal. This can help stimulate your stomach's natural acid production. Chewing your food thoroughly is another simple but powerful trick. The more you break down the food in your mouth, the less work your stomach has to do. Also, incorporating fermented foods like sauerkraut, kefir, or kimchi into your diet provides probiotics that support overall gut health, making your digestive system more efficient. And what about those days when your appetite is low or you don't feel like cooking a big meal? This is where smart snacking and meal prep come in. Hard-boiled eggs are a perfect protein-packed snack to have on hand. A handful of almonds, a cheese stick, or a small tub of Greek yogurt can also give you a great protein boost between meals. Smoothies are a lifesaver here. You can pack them with protein powder, spinach, berries, and a healthy fat like avocado or almond butter. They're easy to drink, gentle on the digestive system, and incredibly nutritious. Think of them as your secret weapon for hitting your protein goals on tough days. Finally, remember that protein doesn't work in a vacuum. You need to combine your efforts with resistance exercise. This doesn't mean you have to become a bodybuilder overnight. Simple activities like using resistance bands, lifting light weights, or even doing bodyweight exercises like squats and lunges at home can make a huge difference. The exercise is the signal that tells your muscles to use the protein you're eating. It's the 1-2 punch that fights back against sarcopenia. Living a vibrant, strong, and independent life after 60 is absolutely possible. It just requires a more mindful approach to our nutrition. By understanding the challenges of anabolic resistance and poor digestion, and by making conscious choices to increase our protein intake and spread it throughout the day, we can give our bodies the tools they need to thrive. Focus on whole, natural foods, support your digestion, and get moving. It's a journey, not a race. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, please drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on natural health and wellness. See you in the next one.